Hey, what's up guys? Dan here from Volca Media. I'm bringing you a quick tip today, a little DIY tip. What we're going to be making today are these little bungee ties. They always come in handy, mainly with cable management, if you've got a lot of power cords about, if you've got wires hanging from your lighting, XLR cables, securing items to things. They always end up finding a way to come in handy. They're really inexpensive to make, and I'm gonna show you how to make them. So you want to get your hands on some of this bungee cord, some nice thin stuff. I'll leave a couple of links down in the description below for places where you can pick this up. It's really cheap. You can get meters and meters and meters of this stuff for really, really cheap. So you can make these as big or small as you want. Another thing that you want to pick up are these spring action toggles. Again, I will leave a couple of links to different places where you can pick these up. And again, really, really inexpensive. The first thing that you want to do is just cut your bungee cord to length, and then you want to make a little loop. If you just make a knot on the end of that, and just make sure to pull that nice and tight. So what you can do is you can use some form of heat to melt the ends and make sure they're nice and sealed. But then what you want to do is you want to get your toggle, and you just want to thread from the loop end through and bring that over to where the knot is. And there you go. It's as simple as that. You can use these to tie up whatever you want to tie back, make sure things are safe, make sure cables are out of the way. Shut up. Where was I? And yeah, it's only a little tiny simple thing. However, I find they come in handy quite a lot. So there you go, nice quick video for you guys today. If you would like to learn anything else, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you can learn more tips and tricks. Peace.